guys. Alright, so I got a little product highlight today. This is our Liquimoly oil transfer funnel. So this came through when I tried transferring oil from a normal drain bin into this guy with a funnel, a normal funnel, and it went everywhere. So I got tired of struggling with trying to transfer oil back into these jugs because I use FCP Euro. They're lifetime product replacements. So you can send back your used oil and they give you money credit back for your next purchase. So so I use this a lot and just got tired of the old transferring way. So you can transfer into one of these guys and then pour it in your jug to return, or normal bin like I had done before. You could even transfer it directly back in here from your oil pan. So I'm just going to show you quickly how this works. So we got the funnel. It has a vent in it so you don't get any bubbling. This guy's full with used oil. This one is empty currently. So it threads right on. There's an inside lip that goes into the hole so that you're not getting any spill over here. So, got this guy, just have to hold it, and we're going to transfer right in. So you don't get any bubbles, you don't have to worry about holding the funnel, you don't have to worry about anything spilling over. It's just really quick and simple, but it solves a really common issue of getting oil everywhere. So that's that. And these guys are ready to help you with your oil exchanges or just getting oil back into the jug to take to the recycling center. So if you know me, or if you're anything like me, you know that you really can't wear light colored shirts or any kind of clothing because it just gets ruined. So me being out here in the shop with this on, it's a dangerous move already. But I know that with this funnel, we're not going to get any kind of like burping or bubbling, so it's still clean.